Next, so how you will present? You'll discover the subject. First of all, when the question is given to you now, you will read it thoroughly. Okay, you have to read each and everything. You'll discover the subject. You have 1 minute to read the subject, and you interact for 10 minutes. This conversation will last for 10 minutes. Okay, now how to read the text, how to read the advertisement or text that is already given. Note the keywords of the text and analyze the details of the documents. Okay, first of all, note that keywords and details of the documents. Gather enough information to be able to express yourself continuously for 2 or 3 minutes. You know, the intro part should be of around 2 to 3 minutes. What is the introduction? Like I just said now, that you will ask him first of all, how are you? Then you will ask, then you will say, I read this advertisement today in this newspaper, and when I read this, I immediately thought about you. Obviously, he or she will ask why. Then you will say, this advertisement involves this, and it has this, and it has already also illustrated the website, it has also illustrated the phone number, and it involves the donating blood, and it also involves what are the advantages of donating blood, and moreover, one can also get a certificate when one has donated the blood, and this certificate will be helpful in getting admissions in best universities. Okay, so this will be your introduction, and it should be of around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Then you have to classify your ideas to build a convincing argument. So you know that examiner will say, no, I don't want to donate blood, or I don't want to do this, whatever the theme of the document is. So you can convince him by in your mind when you are preparing for this. Now you have to make three, at least three, your very strong arguments. Okay, so it can be of like, it will be beneficial in your in getting admission. Okay, first one can be this, second one can be it will be, it is beneficial for your body as well. You know, donating blood is beneficial for our body as well, because sometimes some people have excessive blood in their body, which can also be harmful. So it is beneficial for them also to donate blood. So one is the benefit, that is academic benefit. Okay, one can be a benefit to a body, and one can be, you can say, a social benefit, that it will help others, it will help somebody who is fighting for his life. Okay, so these three can be your strong arguments. In this way, you have to pick your three strong arguments, at least three strong arguments. Okay, so how you should proceed for the test? The examiner will give you a document. Okay, you will view it for 10 minutes and prepare the arguments. Okay, next, the examiner will play the role of a friend. You have to convince him for 10 minutes, as it is an informal interaction. Okay, so you will use you or on. Clear? Same way, we'll be doing the introductory sentences for this, say part B also. Okay, so
Salut mon ami.
you can note down these. Salut mon ami, j'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. Okay, you will start with this. Section B, you will always start with this. Salut mon ami, j'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. I have a good news for you today. Next is, j'ai vu une annonce or publicité dans le journal. I have seen an advertisement or a publicity. Annonce or publicity is one and the same thing. You can use any of it. I have seen an advertisement in the journal. Journal is newspaper. And a dekar. Dekar means as soon as.
Dekha as soon as.
Yes, dekar means as soon as. And as soon as I read it, je l'ai lu means I read it. I thought about you. Next is il sajida. Obviously, you will say, I have seen an advertisement in the newspaper, and as soon as I read it, I thought about you. Oh, then the examiner will ask, why? Pourquoi? Okay. Then you will say il sajida. You can note down this phrase il sajida. This can be used in writing as well.
Okay, il sajida.
Yes. Il sajida means it involves. Il saji means it involves. Il saji means it involves. It involves. And it involves dash. So in this dash, you will talk about the title of the document. Okay?
It's written Dine
Yes.
in Dine Dale Noir, so it's a dinner in the dark.
Yes, dinner in the dark. Yeah.
Mhm.
So Dine Dole Noir. Do you know this concept? All of you know about this concept, Dine Dole Noir? Yes, no? Anybody?
Yes.
You know, it's a very famous concept in France. Very famous concept. Dîner dans le noir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who wants to start?
I can start, ma'am.
Okay.
Salut, mon ami.
Salut.
J'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. J'ai vu une annonce
Hmm.
dans le journal et
Hmm.
j'ai lu et je pensais à toi. Il s'agit d'un dîner dans le noir.
Le dîner dans le noir or un dîner dans le noir. Il
Un
s'agit
dîner
de
dans le
yeah. Okay, clear. Okay, so Malka, can you start? One more thing, Shanaz, you haven't said this word. A deck je l'ai lu.
Sorry, ma'am.
You didn't say this deck.
Ma'am, I haven't written that word. Okay, journal et dès que j'ai lu et je pense à toi. Je pensais à toi.
Yes, j'ai pensé à toi. A deck means and as soon as I read it, I thought about you.
Okay, ma'am.
So Malka, can you start?
Oh, wait. Salut mon ami, j'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. J'ai vu une annonce dans le journal et dès que je l'ai lu, j'ai pensé à toi. Il s'agit de
Sashita.
topic un dîner dans le noir.
Dine dans le noir.
Dîner dans le noir.
Pawan, can you?
Yes, ma'am. Salut, mon ami. J'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. J'ai vu une annonce dans le journal. Dès que j'ai le- j'ai l'ai lu, j'ai pensé à toi.
Hmm.
Il s'agit de, de, un, d'un dîner dans le noir.
Okay, Kiran, can you?
Salut mon ami, j'ai une bonne nouvelle pour toi aujourd'hui. J'ai vu une annonce publicité dans le journal et dès que je l'ai lu, j'ai pensé à toi. Il s'agit de dîner dans la noix.
But that's it. Okay. Kiran, you said both of these. Je vous un annonce publicité. You have to write. You have to speak only one. Either annonce or publicité. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So alors très bien. D'accord. Now, comment on peut commencer? Okay. Comment on peut? Now the second thing is, see, we have introduced this. Now we have to describe. Now we have to describe what is given in the advertisement already. Okay, this is an advertisement now. So you have to describe what is given in the advertisement already. Okay. Now first part is we have to introduce the sujet. Second part is we have to describe. Okay. Is my screen visible to all of you? You have done the introduction. Now you have to describe. So now how you will be going to describe the, you will use d'abord. D'abord means firstly. Okay. Whenever we have to describe in part B, first of all you will do the introduction, then is you have to describe the advertisement. How you will describe, how you are going to describe the advertisement? By using these connectors. Okay. In part B, connectors are very important, very, very important. Without them, you can't score well. Connectors are very important. So first, how you are going to describe? You are going to use d'abord. D'abord, la publicité mentionne. Okay, in every advertisement, either internet site will be given, or telephone number will be given, or some address will be given. Okay, one of the three things will be given. Obviously, no advertisement is given without any contact detail. Okay, so you will start with, like, you have introduced your subject, introduced your advertisement, that this advertisement Il s'agit de Dîner dans le Noir. Then you will proceed with d'abord la publicité mentionne, the advertisement mentions an internet site or a telephone number, whatever. Okay, dash 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 means whatever it will be given in the advertisement, you have to say the same thing. Okay. Clear? First one is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it could be both the telephone and the internet site.
Yeah. It is possible that both of them are given. Then you can say both of them. Like the word la publicité mentionne un site internet. Do you know how to speak internet sites in French?
Yes.
Okay. Second, en second lieu. En second lieu means?
On the second.
Sorry?
Secondly?
Yeah, secondly. En second lieu is also a connector. Secondly, cela se passe. Cela se passe means this takes place at dash. If only one location is given, so you will write till here. And if two places are given, two or more places are given, you can write like this. En second lieu, se passe au this, et il y a différentes locations disponibles. Secondly, this takes place at, suppose it's at Montreal or Ontario. Okay, so you will say secondly, this takes place at Ontario and there are different locations available. And if it's taking place at Ontario only, so you'll say secondly, this takes place at Ontario, Canada. Okay, third sentence. Then you will start with après. Après means after, or après is after. C'est la semblable dash. Now here you have to speak about any, advantage. If the price is given, so you can say it seems affordable. If it's beneficial, suppose the suji is very, there is something that is beneficial for health or something like this. So you can say it seems healthy. Either you can say affordable, healthy. It seems exciting.
Semblable.
Semblable.
Semblable means affordable.
No. Semblable means seems.
Seems.
Yes. You can, add the next word according to the advertisement given. Like in this, Dîner dans le noir. It can be an exciting experience, right? So you can say, c'est la semblable palpitant. Palpitant is thrilling experience. Thrilling or exciting. Palpitant is thrilling or exciting. If there is something, prizes are given, so you can say it seems affordable. Affordable is abordable. If it is relating to some health or something like this, so you can say it seems healthy. Okay, so 16. Ensuite. Ensuite means afterwards. Il y a plusieurs inclusion. Inclusion is inclusions. There are many inclusions, or you can say there are many inclusion means things that are included. Okay. Or the additional benefits. Either you can say plusieurs inclusion if we have talked about price, if the price is given. Or if the price is not given, you can say there are many benefits. BFA. BFA is benefits. Il y a plusieurs inclusion or benefits from dash dash dash. Clear? 16th clear?
What's the meaning of inclusion?
Inclusion means inclusions. Inclusions means everything that is included in the price. Like we say, in this price, drinks are included, meals are included, stay is included, for example. So
yes, ma'am.
Next sentence. Enfin. Il est possible de réserver par site internet ou par téléphone. If there is something that can be reserved, most of the time everything can be reserved, right? Like in this also, in the restaurant also, we can reserve the places, we can reserve the table. So you can say, enfin, il est possible de réserver une table par site internet ou par téléphone. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Clear?
Oui.
Okay, so now you have done how to describe. Okay, first part is how to introduce. Second part is how to describe. So, everybody, have you noted down all these sentences?
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.